CMF by Nothing Phone 1 Mobile was launched on the 8th of July 2024. The phone comes with a 6.70-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, FHD+. It comes with 6GB, 8GB of RAM. The CMF by Nothing Phone 1 runs Android 14 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The CMF by Nothing Phone 1 supports 33W fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the CMF by Nothing Phone 1 on the rear packs 50-megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor. The CMF by Nothing Phone 1 runs Nothing OS 2.6, is based on Android 14 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage, up to 2000GB. The CMF by Nothing Phone 1 is a dual SIM mobile that accepts Nano SI Mobile. The CMF by Nothing Phone 1 measures 164.00 by 77.00 by 8 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 197.00 grams. It was launched in black, blue, and light green-orange colors. It features an IP52 rating for dust and water protection. Connectivity options on the CMF by Nothing Phone 1 include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.30, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include in-display fingerprint sensor.